Hey everybody, welcome to Hilltop Machine Works. Well, hey guys, it's Tom here, and going to make a trip to the metal scrapyard tomorrow. The weather is beautiful, so they're calling for really nice weather tomorrow. So I figured I'd take you guys along for a ride. I got to go pick up some stuff anyways, some big stuff. So I figured I'd take what I got. I don't think the buy prices are that good right now, but we'll give it a shot. So this is what I got. Got a load of stuff in here. I'll load it up, and then also in here all trash bags full of aluminum cans. So we'll see if we can get a couple bucks, and I'll bring you guys along. So just heading out, and it is unseasonably warm for February. It is like the second week, I'm sorry, first full week in February, and we're experiencing about 68 degrees today. So talk about crazy weather. We really haven't had a good cold frost yet, so hopefully we'll have one or two before spring comes, so we can get you know, all the bugs and stuff that are hibernating, get them rascals killed. Otherwise they'll pop up springtime and, you know, make our life miserable. So we got about I don't know, 20 minutes of travel time. I'm taking the back roads, a little scenic route, and once we pull in, I'll bring you guys back and you can check the place out. Well, just pulling in, we gotta hit the scale first and get weighed, and then we're gonna come back around and we're gonna head over there to that shredder. That's our dump point for all the steel, and then we'll come back around and get weighed, and then we will pull up to a separate building for all our aluminum. Alright, we just got weighed. Gotta get into the shredder here, get everything out of the back. Usually if you got small loads, you'll just hand unload it, because this guy's got enough. He's going to at least use the claw. Cool. Well, we just dropped everything off, and we're getting ready to go on the scale here, see how much steel we had, and then we're eventually gonna work our way over there, see what kind of scrap stuff we can get. And I don't know if you can see the sign, 4880, what we're weighing now. We were 5740, so not too bad. Once this truck pulls out, then we'll pull up and unload all the aluminum cans and swarf and chips. Go ahead and grab some more footage of the operation while we're waiting. So that tractor trailer was full. Looks like they got all nice unused 55-gallon drums. They usually sell those for about $12 each or something, unless they're not going to sell them as new and they're going to scrap them. I got this claw working. Stuff's coming off the shredder over there, that big square red thing, and then hits the conveyor belt and then drops over onto that pile. And the guy running the claw is obviously just keeping the pile organized. Like I said, over there, that's where you can buy new and used and scrap steel from, so we'll be heading over to that building here shortly. So they got these nice tables with wheels on them for 20 bucks each. So I grabbed a table, and there's that piece of plate I need for the AVE grill project, and found a piece of 4-inch to make dies for the tube roller, and then I just picked up a couple pieces of nice round. You can always use some good sizes. It was a little crazy with all the machines running, so didn't feel like taking the camera out just for my safety so I can keep track of everybody. And then it is extremely muddy too, so I needed both hands free so I didn't slip. And let me take you in the truck and show you how we did. So if you can read that or not, looks like we had 680 pounds of steel and 43 pounds of aluminum. Steel price is a little better, so not too bad, 5 cents a pound. Aluminum is a little bit low, they're only paying 30 cents a pound on aluminum. So ended up getting paid $47, and then my steel was $51.80, so almost broke even. Just had to pay them about $5. And then those tables are 20 bucks each, which is a killer deal. I mean, you couldn't even make one of those nice roll-out tables for 20 bucks. So I'm going to use that table outside since it won't rust, and I can roll it around. Perfect for you know, the first step in a project. When it's all nasty, you can go out there and just grind away and get all the you know, dust and dirt and rust and everything that you don't want in the shop. Just do it outside, and also works good as a painting table. So all right, now let's get out of here and get home.